so smart and creative, kids! Today, we're going to draw and color a super cute chicken's character. Get ready! It's going to be fun, colorful, and full of joy! Let's start drawing together with happy hearts so you can learn how to draw and color step by step. First, we draw the outline using a bold black color. Nice and easy, just follow along. Now, it's time to color with bright and cheerful shades. Start with more black to make the outlines pop. Then, let's add a sunny yellow, perfect for our little chicks. Next, a splash of red for the beak and comb, looking great. Add a touch of pink to make them extra adorable. Then color in some blue-green for a cool, fresh vibe. And finally, add a pop of orange to make it lively and bright. Your cute chicken's character is now fully colored and ready to cluck into action. Thank you so much for joining the drawing fun today, friends. See you again in the next fun and cheerful drawing adventure. Bye-bye!